Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day in this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And overall, a brutal day and looking like potentially a pump and dump. And I say potentially because I'm not willing to call it a pump and dump yet, but the level to me that is very important going forward is this level down here at 17.5 cents. Why is 17.5 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just to kind of explain the whole pump and dump situation and, the importance of that level. Let's say that the price continues to come down here, gets to 17.5, and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was at these lows before the explosive move upwards. Or in other words, you'd have a situation where the price made this awesome move here, and then within a relatively small amount of time, has quite literally gone right back to where it started. That is the epitome of a pump and up. Now, again, I'm not saying that'll actually occur, but that is why that 17.5 cent is important. Because on the flip side, though, to be fair, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So that's why the price, you can't quite call it a pump and dump right this very second because there is still the opportunity at making progress. But yeah, if the price literally goes right back to where it began, then, as I illustrated, that would quite literally be a situation where, there's just no bullishness in that whatsoever. So a whole lot of people are going to be watching 17.5 cents going forward. So we'll see if the price can stay above it or not. If there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, key level of resistance going to be right there at 0.198. So 0.198 key area of resistance, like I said, if there is any sort of attempted bounce. But right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is seeing if the price can stay above 17.5 cents or not. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.